Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're making something simple and delicious. Homemade fajita seasoning. Fajitas are a Tex-Mex classic, and there's nothing quite like the aroma of seasoned meat and veggies sizzling on a hot pan. But store-bought fajita seasoning can be pretty bland, and it's often loaded with sodium. That's why I love making my own seasoning at home. It's so much tastier and healthier, and you can customize it to your own taste. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need to make this easy fajita seasoning recipe. 2 tablespoons chili powder. 1 tablespoon smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon oregano. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. Instructions. Simply combine all of the ingredients in a small bowl and mix well. That's it. Your fajita seasoning is ready to use. Tips. You can store your fajita seasoning in an airtight container in a cool, dark place for up to 6 months. This recipe makes enough seasoning for about 1 pound of meat or vegetables. Feel free to adjust the spices to your own taste. If you like things spicy, add more cayenne pepper. If you prefer a milder flavor, leave it out. You can also use this seasoning on chicken, steak, shrimp, tofu, or even eggs. Fajita ideas. Now that you have your homemade fajita seasoning, let's get cooking. Here are a few ideas for delicious fajitas. Classic chicken fajitas. Marinate chicken strips in olive oil, lime juice, and your fajita seasoning, then grill or sauté until cooked through. Serve with fajita tortillas, sautéed peppers and onions, and your favorite toppings like salsa, guacamole, and sour cream. Steak fajitas. Marinate steak in the same way as the chicken, then grill or sauté until cooked to your desired doneness. Serve with the same toppings as the chicken fajitas. Shrimp fajitas. Peel and devein the shrimp, then marinate them in the fajita seasoning for about 30 minutes. Grill or sauté until cooked through. Serve with the same toppings as the chicken and steak fajitas. Veggie fajitas. Slice your favorite vegetables, such as bell peppers, onions, and zucchini. Sauté them in olive oil until tender. Serve with fajita tortillas and your favorite toppings. I hope you enjoy this easy recipe for homemade fajita seasoning. It's sure to make your next fajita night a hit. Thanks for watching.